Hello guys, I'm just working my dog here. He's just throwing out our ball, so that's why he's not moving. You don't edit it or anything, but you don't completely real, don't you? I'm just working my dog now, and I'm gonna go home, do my homework today. I've got a lot of homework. Probably gonna take me a few hours, maybe. I don't know. You don't never know. Home, do my homework, and then we're gonna do some more planting videos. I'll see you back at home, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, I've done obvious work and I've done quite a lot of work. I haven't finished it. Today we are going to be planting some cucumbers, and if it doesn't matter, guys. If he goes back down just a few minutes ago, and I thought he'll be there, and then he's not. So we're going to be planting some of these cucumber seeds. These are like outside ones, but they still need a lot of heat. So most of all, you need some cucumber seeds, some compost, and some of these like seed trays. Guys, first we have to put all the soil in these trays. Be very careful. I'm not careful. And don't do them too full or they won't go. Just do them like half, because if you put them too full, they won't really grow mega. So you have to put all of these in here. If you can't see, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to do my best with these. I'm not a professional. It's my third video on YouTube. I can't remember. I've only got a few, I haven't got a lot. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Oh my gosh, I think that's a little bit too much. You've made my days, and I always wanted some subscribers when I was a kid. So I'm very thank you to you. So I just wanted to talk about that. I'm going to keep doing these, and then I'm going to come back afterwards. So I'll see you guys. I'm just putting these in there, but see ya. Guys, I'm using a spoon, as you can see. Because we don't have a dibber, so we're just using a spoon. If you do have a dibber, you use a dibber. But don't plant them like flat, don't plant them like, if that's the soil in my hand, you put them like that and plant them like that. Don't do them like that. Do them like on edge, so like plant them like so they're like standing up, these seeds. So I'll do it. And then put it on edge, and you have to plant it on edge in front of me. And that might be on the edge. I'm not mega sure. So I would keep doing this until like your pot's full. I would keep doing this until your pot's full, and then I'm gonna come back to you, and I'm gonna keep doing these. So I'll see you, and I might tell you to do something else. So I'll see you back, guys. Bye. We've done planting the cucumber seeds. My dog's here, aren't you? I've got this ball because he wouldn't have stayed it. Look, he's gone. You can have that ball, buddy. Okay, we've done the cucumber seeds. I don't know what seed we might do next. We might do sunflowers. I don't know, but we're definitely done the cucumber seeds. We've got this box. I think we put it like in a switch, and it turns it all long. I think it's called a propagator. And they keep the seeds warm because they're going to be out here. So we're going to put this propagator maybe in the greenhouse or maybe outside, and we're going to and definitely know that I'm going to put one in the greenhouse. I've just writing down this, like, if you can see carefully, if you can see this, it says cucumber. So when you planted your plants, you know what you planted. And maybe on the other side, you might write when you planted it, so when it actually goes like mega big, you can always remember. I've done cucumber upside down, so I have to turn it like that, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to put these in, the plants in there now. Oh, they're already in there. So I'm going to put cucumber there. There we go. And we might be putting some up in there. So I'll see you up there, guys. Bye. propagator ones. So these are in a shed. It's not like a warm in here. I need you to comment down below. I'm just putting these in here like I did with the other ones. Comment down below if you think which one was going to come back. We might come back in a week and see if the propagators grows better, or the greenhouse or the normal ones grow better. Comment down below which one do you think will grow better. So I might be doing another video, so just keep an eye out. I'll see you guys for now. Bye.